Hey guys, my name is Andre and I'm going to show you how you can set up the VPN on your computer so that you're able to access the HAW network when you're not physically at the university. Now, like most things, we're going to start off here on the online services website. And if your German is about as good as mine, you're going to go ahead and click English to change this website to English first. So the next thing I'm going to point out is that I'm using Firefox, and I'm going to show you that this only works in Firefox here in a second. But on the online services site, just go ahead and click on VPN. And it takes you to the VPN site, and you're going to click on VPN client for desktop devices. Now, I already pulled this up over here in Chrome, and you'll notice that if I click on this link in Chrome, it pulls me up to a site that it says that it can't access it. And if I use Edge, it's actually going to do the same thing. It's not able to open that site. But when I click on that same link here in Firefox, it actually brings me to a site that works. So this can only be done with Firefox. The VPN will be working on your entire system, but it needs to be installed using Firefox. So when you get to this site, go ahead and put in your username and your password. Click login. And it's going to bring you to this site so that you can download and install the AnyConnect Secure Mobility Client, which is what you're actually going to use to connect to the VPN. And after it's finished downloading, we're going to go ahead and click on it to run it and install. Accept the license, hit next, and click install. Now it's going to ask you for admin permissions. Go ahead and click yes. And when it's done, just go ahead and click on finish. And so now the client is actually installed on the computer. What you're going to need to know though is that when you actually set it up, it's going to ask you for the first time that you run it, it's going to ask you for the VPN server, and it's right here in italics on the site. So I'll copy it since we're going to be using it in a second, but you really don't need to copy it. It's pretty easy to remember. It's vpn.havhamburg.de. So now we're just going to go ahead and run Cisco. And right here, this is where I was saying that you're going to want to put in the VPN server. You click connect, and now it's going to ask you for your username and your password. Now, this will remember your username and it'll remember the server, but every time you connect the VPN, you're going to need to put your password in again. And now when it says it's connected, you're connected to the VPN. So it's as if you're at HAW's network. And that's it.